streets so I can celebrate. Never knew a feeling better than today. At least we're beginning.
Yes guys, so this is my freezer. Nilikuwa nishazima fridge because I knew I was going to clean up, so nilikuwa nataka at least imagine inaweza kuwa imeshikashika huko iwe imetulia. So I want to remove everything from, we will start with up here. I want to remove everything so that we can proceed with our cleaning. So guys, I'll be removing them and putting them here. You know, we have this to small nice because of this open over. Have that in here. We have yellow beans. Here we have githeri. These are ukwaju. I want to make tamarind juice. Here we also have, I think it's no, this is mafuta and nilitumia kupika last night chipo, so nilimui freeze so that isiharibike. Okay, this is my minji. I bought it yesterday as I was doing grocery shopping, but since I couldn't chemsha jana, I had to put it here. Nitaitoa nikichemsha. Here we have another bunch of yellow beans too. Okay, this thing is getting heavy. Let me put it down first. Okay, and lastly we have minji. This is minji. Okay, so I want this to at least iachane kidogo because it was so freezed. So we will proceed with down here as we wait for that to cool down. Okay, so guys, down here we'll start with our watermelon. Kiki. Watermelon. I bought this yesterday. Okay, start there. I bought that yesterday. For Taji, and yeah, a cake. It was my birthday on 9th of October. So hubby and my mom-in-law got me this cake. Tunang'ang'ana naye bado, but yeah, it's not yet done. And then up here I got some milk. I think that I'll need something for that. Okay, I'll use this. I got some milk. For milk, siekangi mob sana because we do take milk tea once in a while. So for the milk, I don't buy too much of it because if I do, they end up ikikukaa kwa fridge for so long. And Taji too doesn't like the, what do you call it? Appendi milk nowadays. He doesn't take milk. So as I was going to the supermarket, guys, I found this Orchard Valley. They were on offer. So I got myself as many as possible. Okay. There. There. Next, Predators for hubby. Then we have this Minute Maids. Mostly these are for baby. Maybe we got 3. These are for baby. Not press them. Yeah. And for the drinks, last but not least, we got this 2 liters. Okay, there. I'll be placing them down here so that I could move them from there. Okay. Okay, this side of the door, I have these mini bites. Four. They are not four. They are 6. I gave Taji one of these, and he enjoyed them so much. So Happy got him more. Actually, I don't like them so much. I like the big ones. The small ones, And then we have Ribena for Taji. 4, 5, 6. And some yogurt for him too. We have this, and we have these ones. Naivas are having an offer. When you get this yogurt with chocolate chips, this one, when you buy one, you get one free. So we bought 2. One we drank yesterday. We drank one yesterday. Then these are chocolate for Taji. This is my tomato paste. We have some pills here. Cholizimeisha. We need 3. Oops. Yeah. And then we have my danias. See guys how fresh they still are. These are my danias. I used this karatasi ya mkate because I don't have zile karatasi za kutoa zile ndogo, and I also don't have a clean foil. So I used this because yes, as long as ziko somewhere air ingi ndani, I think it's okay to go. And this is my cabbage. Okay, these 2, I didn't have the clean foil. I don't know why I always forget to get myself a clean foil. Ya kufunga, because ukifunga hii na clean foil, by the way guys, it will take you for a very very long time. I will start there. I also have my omenas. Hizi zilikuwa mob, tumezikula tumezisongesha. So we have our omenas. I put them in the fridge here. And lastly, sorry guys for that. We have this. These 2, I have to look for something to put them. So we have this. These carrots have been here for so long. It has a repeat her. So these are to be thrown away. Yeah, so this actually guys, before I put this here, I usually wash them. I must wash them because so that in case of a fridge I have an easy time with water here. Iko na sabuni iko na harufu nzuri, so that at least the fridge ibaki ikinukia vizuri. So first I'll start with removing, this. I'll start with removing this, all this. Hapa chini haina ilivunjika. Guys, I know hamjanotice Taji around. Taji is still asleep. So I thought this would be the perfect moment for me to do this when he's asleep, so that he doesn't bother me. Yeah, so guys, I wanted you to see this. Now this is after like, let's say 10 to 15 minutes, and my water imesha yeyu. Nitarudia juu na hii sasa hii ni imekauka. Because I don't have the time to wait in Kauke. So this is what we do. Yeah. So for this, guys, I'll put them here. I I want to tafuta this because if I had it, I couldn't have just this mayonnaise. I could have just placed them on that topping and take your buju. Track. So for the movements, I have this orange. Okay, that is so risky, guys, but I don't have any other alternative to go about it. And this haha, since I don't have to put it on there. So, guys, that's basically my fridge. That's how I organize my fridge. Yeah, nothing more, nothing much, nothing less. That is it. And yeah, so guys, thank you for watching. And before I forget, guys, oops, sorry. I think you can see, yeah, I have onions there that I also have to sort out. So guys, that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I post a video. So guys, have yourselves a good day and baraka.